In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine boards on Monday.com. As we navigate the digital workplace, the ability to streamline work and create seamless integrations between different tasks and data sets becomes essential. One powerful feature of Monday.com, a leading project management tool, is its ability to merge boards. This enables teams to consolidate information and enhance collaboration without losing sight of the details. Whether you're managing multiple projects, tracking interdepartmental tasks, or simply looking to centralize information, merging boards on Monday.com can significantly enhance your workflow. Let's dive in and see how this can be done in a few simple steps. Firstly, make sure you are logged into your Monday.com account. Once logged in, head over to your dashboard. This is where all your boards are displayed, offering a bird's-eye view of your projects and tasks. Next, select the board you wish to start the merging process with. Think of this as your primary board, the one where you want information from another board to be fed into. After selecting your board, look for the plus icon, usually found on the top bar of your board's interface. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with various column types you can add to your board. In this drop-down menu, if Connect Boards isn't immediately visible, don't fret. Simply click on more columns to expand your options. This reveals a plethora of column types designed to enhance your board's functionality. Among these options, type in or find Connect Boards and select it. This action is the gateway to merging another board with your current one. After selecting Connect Boards, you'll be prompted to Add to Board. This adds a new column designated for connecting to another board. With this new column in place, click on Select Boards. This is where you choose the board you wish to merge into your primary board. Browse through your list of boards and make your selection. Importantly, upon selecting the board to merge, ensure you click the option to create a two-way connection. This is pivotal, as it allows for a dynamic link between the boards, meaning any update on one board reflects on the other. This keeps both boards in sync, enhancing your team's ability to collaboratively manage interconnected tasks. Once you've opted for a two-way connection, it's time to finalize the merge by clicking Connect Boards. This effectively links your selected board with your primary board, culminating the merge process. How do you know it's working? To test your new setup, click on any empty cell within the newly added Connect Boards column. This prompts you to add items from the connected board to your primary board. As you select items to add, you're essentially pulling data from one board into another, showcasing the merger's efficacy. For the final step, navigate to the board you connected. Here you should see the effects of your actions manifested through the two-way connection you established. This not only consolidates your project data, but also bridges gaps between different data sets, all within the intuitive interface of Monday.com. And there you have it. You've successfully merged boards on Monday.com, a process that promises to streamline your work, enhance collaboration, and ensure that no detail is ever out of sight. As you get comfortable with this feature, you'll discover even more ways to customize and optimize your workflow on Monday.com. Remember, the key to effective project management lies not just in managing tasks, but in how seamlessly you can integrate and adapt various data points and workflows to suit your team's evolving needs. Merging boards is just one of the many features of Monday.com designed to empower you to do just that. Thank you for following along. Until our next tutorial, happy project managing.